Disconnect electrical power to the dryer, and, for gas dryers, close the gas shutoff valve. While supporting the access panel, remove 2 screws from the bottom edge of the access panel. Gently lower the access panel to disengage the panel locators from the bottom edge of the front panel. Remove 2 screws holding the bottom tabs on the front panel to the dryer side panels. Swing the bottom edge of the front panel away from the dryer, far enough to disengage the hold-down clips and locators from the cabinet top. Disconnect the wires from the door switch. Note wire placement for reinstallation. Remove 4 screws holding the bulkhead to the front flange of the cabinet. Lift the complete bulkhead assembly out of the slots in the cabinet. Remove the cabinet top hold-down screw on the left. Disengage the belt from the motor and idler pulleys. Pull the cylinder forward, allowing the rear of the cylinder to drop down, exposing the rollers. Remove the retaining ring and plastic washer from the roller. Remove the roller from the shaft. Remove the screws holding the roller shaft and bracket to the rear bulkhead. Note: always replace both the roller and the shaft. Remove the shaft and bracket assembly. Remove the wave washer from the shaft. Unscrew the nut from the shaft and remove the shaft from the bracket. Place the new shaft onto the bracket and attach it with the nut. Replace the wave washer onto the shaft. Attach the shaft and bracket assembly onto the rear bulkhead. Install the new roller onto the shaft. It is important that it is installed with the flanged surface of the roller bearing facing towards the front of the dryer. Replace the plastic washer and retaining ring. Replace the cylinder onto the cylinder rollers. Replace the left cabinet top hold-down screw. Reposition the belt around the motor and idler pulleys. Be sure that the belt has been installed on the correct side of the idler lever. Turn the cylinder counterclockwise 1 revolution to align the belt. Rotate it by pushing the cylinder baffles and not the outside of the cylinder to avoid hand injury. Place the complete bulkhead assembly into the slots in the cabinet. Be sure that the seal on the blower fan cover makes an airtight seal on the flange of the air duct. If the seal is installed improperly, the airflow through the exhaust system will be restricted, which can adversely affect dryer performance. Replace 4 screws holding the bulkhead to the front flange of the cabinet. Reconnect the wires to the door switch. Refer to the wiring diagram when connecting the switch. Insert the hold-down clips and locators on the front panel into the cabinet top. Replace 2 screws holding the bottom tabs on the front panel to the dryer side panels. Insert the panel locators on the access panel into the bottom edge of the front panel. Replace 2 screws holding the access panel to the base. Reconnect electrical power to the dryer and, for gas dryers, open the gas shutoff valve.